This is the series Shopify promotion, Grow with BOGOS app. In this video, I will give you a step-by-step guide on how to add an upsell section to your Shopify thank you page. All right, let's get started. 1. What is a thank you page upsell? After completing a purchase, as you leave the checkout page, you're greeted with a thank you page. And this is actually the gold mine for extra sales, as customers' brains are more receptive to any offer because of those 3 reasons. With an upsell widget on this page, you can tap into all that psychology by suggesting related products, boosting your sales when customers are highly excited. 2. To get extra sales like that, you have to use a third-party app. And in the upsell category here, I highly recommend BOGOS, the top-rated promotion app with over 2,000 reviews. With BOGOS, customers can easily select variants directly on the widget, watch the images update automatically, and when they decide to claim the deal, they're instantly redirected to checkout, giving a smooth, quick, highly converting purchase flow. But the best part might lie in BOGOS' flexible upsell conditions. Now let's explore all them through the setup. Step 1. Install BOGOS app for your Shopify store. Step 2. Go to BOGOS dashboard, then All Offers, then click on Create Offers. Start with Upsell Offer. Choose Thank You Page Upsell to start creating your offer. Step 3. Set up the upsell title means the name displayed within app for easy management. Start and end time to schedule your upsell ahead if you need. Choose an upsell trigger. This is where you control when the upsell section will appear on your thank you page. Always display. Upsell ensures the upsell is always visible at the thank you page, helpful when you just want to promote some specific products you select below. Cart trigger means trigger the upsell widget based on total order value or the number of products purchased, allowing catering to different spending behaviors. For example, setting the EMA into 2 means customers' order must include at least 2 items to qualify for the upsell. Specific product trigger to trigger the right upsell products to the right customers. So, customers' order must include products from the list you select here. If you set 2 in the number of products required field, the order must include 2 of the products you've just selected. Collection. Any product from specific collections you select. Finally, customer trigger to personalize your upsell based on the customer's data. Firstly, upsell would trigger if customers have the exact tags you select here. In contrast, turn this on to show the upsell widget to all logged-in customers, except those with tags selected above. Most merchants use this to block customers with existing deals from claiming more. To ensure it works properly, please enable this so all customers, even logged in or not, can see your upsell, except those with the selected tags. Secondly, if you want to target customers from some specific locations, then choose location. Thirdly, BOGOS checks the customer's order history to see if the order they just checked out was placed from the date you choose, perfect for targeting your sales season. You can choose to combine it with these conditions below or have them work separately. And for example, I'll choose Always Display Upsell. Step 5. Select an upsell method to customize which products will appear on the widget. Method 1. Manual. You manually select the upsell products to best fit your own sales strategy. Method 2. Auto. This method is super helpful if you're already using the Shopify Search and Discovery app. BOGOS will automatically sync with that app's data to display complementary products or related one on the widget. Next, choose how many upsell products you want to display on your widget. Typically, 2 to 3 products work well. Method 3. Random. BOGOS will randomly display and select upsell products from the types, vendors, or collections you choose below to keep your upsell always fresh to customers. And for example, I'll choose Manual. Step 6 is an optional yet advanced feature. Turning this on means BOGOS will automatically match the variant of the upsell product to the variant of the product in the customer's cart. For example, all in size S, removing the manual work for customers. Step 7. When everything is done, check the preview on your right to make sure every detail is correct. Finally, click Publish, and your thank you page, Upsell, is ready to go now. Moreover, don't forget to customize your widget appearance. First, choose between the carousel layout or the stacked layout for your upsell widget. Then, adjust its position by clicking Here. You'll be redirected to your theme editor, where you can simply move the BOGOS thank you page upsell block to wherever you want it. Super easy to make it fit your store's strategy. Second, customize the content of your upsell widget for better conversion. Third, change its colors to match your store's branding and identity. If you want to edit your primary and accent colors, just click here to jump into your checkout editor. Change the accent color however you like, and BOGOS will instantly sync with your new look. Easy, right? So, want to have a highly converting thank you page, upsell section like what BOGOS provides? Utilize 7 free-day trial link in the description to try it out. Final advice for your upsell. It's possible to test your upsell on more positions as a product page with frequently bought together. Check out Upsell like this, or make your promotion fresh by switching between gifts, bundles, upsells, and discounts. You can utilize BOGOS app since it supports all 4 promotion types. Thanks for watching. It's the series Shopify Promotion, Grow with BOGOS. We are BOGOS, your powerful promotion app on Shopify.